God is not dividedly triune, but that the principle of the Trinity makes that which is difficult to comprehend more understandable. Not only is God transcendent and immanent, but also available to the human soul as the presence of the self or consciousness, the presence of the big S self, divine self, is the Holy Spirit. And so look at the entire universe. We're looking out at the transcendent presence of God everywhere. And yet our DNA is divine, and yet the experience of it is, what we would call Holy Spirit. And so we are divinity, immanent divinity. That's what animates our life, Christ consciousness within.